Hey guys, Luck here with another quick review. Today we're talking Olight. So, Olight came out with a knife. This is the first model they came out with. It's called the OKNIFE DREVER. Looks pretty cool. There was also blue edition, but that sold out right away. So good luck finding that without a markup. So it has a N690 stainless steel blade. It's supposed to have high wear resistance. We'll see as time goes on how that holds up. It's a sturdy G10 handle, so that's a nice touch. Sheath foot blade with a sharp edge, full flat grind, reinforced, blah blah blah. It's compact, it's closed, 4.5 inches. It is a 3.49, so 3.5 inch actual blade, and it's 4.5 closed. Smooth and safe deployment. We'll check that out in a minute. So let's open this up. Box is cool. Oh, very cool. Comes with a pouch. A little Olight statement. So there's actually a manual in here, like most Olight stuff. Oh, cloth. That's a nice touch. Yeah, and a direction manual. So that's cool. Love the pouch. It'd be nice if I had a belt clip here, but still cool. Yeah, I noticed a lot of Olight stuff is coming out with these coins now, so that's a pretty cool touch. Yeah, it's nice for collecting. Got some nice weight to it. Let's get this knife out. So it does have actually a nice look. Feels good in the hand. Clip, stainless. Feels strong. Looks like it should hold up. I love the blue accents and the finish. Wow, that's actually pretty smooth opening. Locks out nicely. I would assume it's roller bearings. It's hard to see in there. So we'll do some research and comment below. Let's see how it closes. All right, very nice. Definitely a nice little snap to it. Feels good in the right. Feels good in the left as well. It is for both, so that's a nice touch. The thing is, you cannot relocate the clip to the other side or move it top to bottom. That is the only spot you can have the clip. So yeah guys, this is the new OKNIFE. They are coming out with a new one, I think, in a few days. I think there's going to be a titanium handle version with S35V blade, something fancier. This one goes for $69 retail, so that's actually a solid price for a knife. And these pegs actually move. Oh, they rotate. Okay, I thought this was loose, but this actually rotates. So that's a nice touch when you flip it open like this. Yeah. Cool guys, that's it. That's the Olight OKNIFE. Thanks for watching. Comment below what you think about this knife. For 69 bucks, I would say it's worth the investment, especially if you like the brand, if you like the flashlights. If you want to see any other reviews, let me know. Next, I'm actually going to do a review on the O Station, which is this monster right here. It just came in today, so I definitely want to test this out and do a review. So stay tuned, and I should post this shortly. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, please follow, and I got more videos coming for you.